So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy silver here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, you first and foremost have to deposit money into your account. So just go to the home page, press deposit, and then proceed that way. Once you have money into your account, go to the bottom, select on the blue trade icon. Then in the top left where you're on the USDTM page, go ahead and select on where it says TradeFi. Once you're here, you can then go ahead and select metals. I will just select this one as an example. This happens to be the silver US dollar, but if you wanted to go to the top here and then select metals, make sure that silver US dollar is selected, then go ahead and select that. Then once you're here, you can view all about it, and if this looks good and you want to proceed, you can go to the bottom, you can press buy to proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy silver here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.